Hello guys, how are you? I am Dev and hope you also doing well. Welcome to Vehicle 24 channel. Friends, we are going to talking about TVS Rider right now with the full detailed review with disadvantage, advantage and the problems and how to handle the problem. So friends, if you not subscribe the channel, so you need to subscribe right now. And if you like the video, at the end of you need to like the video and share the video. And if you want to anything from my side, then you can comment in the comment box. So we are going to start this video. Just I want to brief you that I have taken this video in English because it is a requirement of the South Indian fans. They require the video in English because they not known about the Hindi language. They know your regional language like Tamil, Telugu and etc. So they have demanded me to make one video for any bike and other vehicles in English so that they can understand their real experience of the bike and they can understand how the bike will perform in future and what is the current problem. So now we are going to discuss about the TVS Rider 125. So friend, TVS Rider is a 125cc bike that are available in the market with digital instrument console and have the four colors. Colors are like red, yellow, blue and black. The black color is most famous color and the look of bike is very sporty, so you can say that it is a naked bike and it is newly launched, so there are different features and different positive and negative reviews in the market, so you need to know in the brief for all the point. So first of all, we want to brief you about the price of this bike. So guys, the price of this bike is on road price 1,04,000 something. You can say you need to buy this bike, so you need to have money 1,05,000. So it is quite high, but it is not so high as per the features and the look of the TVS Raider 125. So friends, first of all we are going to the plus points or advantage of this bike. So it is a 125cc bike that have the colored digital instrument console in which you can see the readings of real mileage, average, gear position, fuel position, how much fuel is bike empty to fuel, how much distance a bike can travel in the remaining fuel. So very good feature of this digital instrument console. You can set trip A, trip B, so that you can arrange your ride as per your requirement. In this instrument console you can also find a clock, so you can update it with the time and reach a destination as per your time. So you don't need to open your mobile or to see your watch for time. Other important things is that this bike have a speed seat, also comes with the disc brake. It is a very good idea from the TVS side. This bike is available in disc also, and right now disc brake is available in the market as a bulk price. You can find this bike without disc brake approx 1 lakh rupees cost. So this bike also have the tank cowl and plastic body for a sporty look at the tank side. So at the rear side you also find the TVS signature LED tail light, and at the front side you also find the LED headlight. Both lights are good and the color combination and look of bike is very good, and the average is also good. You can find 60 to 65 mileage. Other things is that the rear tire of this bike is also broad, so you cannot find your ride in any unbalanced. Bike is already friction with the road, so it have the good gripping with the roads, so you can find the good riding quality and bike will be balanced at the high speed also. The main point is that this bike is for a sporty look and other features very popular in the youngsters. So it is have a very good combination of modern features and the modern requirement of the Indian riders. So that's why in 125cc there is no sporty bike that have the split seat. At the other end, Pulsar have the split seat, but due to the lack of color options in the market, Pulsar 125 can't reach at the target level that set by the company. So TVS rider will fill up that gap and going for good performance from the TVS rider side. The point is that this bike is good for viewing angle, sporty look, mileage good, and all the things are modern type like footrest, pillion, safety, and the other things is that this bike have the modified cowl and a 3D logo of rider. So there are many positive things of this bike, so I can't brief you at in a small time period, but I can also discuss you with the some problems of this bike. So the most important problem is this bike have no kick, only electric starts. So you can't find the kick in this bike, as already kick is available in the ordinary bikes. In this bike you also find the other one problem, that some gear issue. So you can found sticky for changing the gear 1 2 3. So this problem is also common for SP 125 and for Glamour X-Tech also, or you can say in BS6 bike gear issue is generally occurring and it can be solved after the 1-2 service. So it's depend upon the bike engine, how much perform engine quality built by the company. So other problem is that the seat quality and the fabric plastic quality of TVS rider is not so on the top of mark. I will give you 80 by 100 point in place of 100 because company have little bit low quality material for plastic and seats, because seats thickness is very thin and also the plastic quality is also thin. If you draw something on the tank pad that is made from plastic side, provided the very good look, but the quality of that tank pad plastic cover you can check by the put reverse hand on that. So in this way bike is good. You can also not found the good mileage, you can find only 60 to 65 mileage. At the other end you can found 70 mileage at the SP 125. So mileage by this bike not good, and the build quality is also not good. You can see many plastic parts are used in this bike. So if anything else happened with you wrong, then you need to pay more, because plastic parts cannot bear the friction and the force of any such incident that are not normal. Also digital instrument console is open type, so if any unwanted happen you need to pay more as compared to other bikes also, because here no protection provided to the instrument console. And other thing is that at the sunlight the meter visibility is less as compared to other bikes meters instrument console. Definitely that are digital, not analog, because in analog you have no issue for visibility. So it is the other concern. And the other concern is related that if you reach speeds above the 70 you can find the vibration. So definitely you can find the vibration, because this bike is not made for long drive or high speed. This bike is made for city ride. So if you are looking for a city ride, this bike is very good for you. And if you are looking for a long drive, so also you can see the other options that are available in the market. For short drive, bike is very good, impressive, and everyone can want to take this bike as on behalf. So look, why all the things are good, but how well this bike will perform in the market, need to watch and see what is the feedback from the market side and how much time TVS will need to improve that. So guys, how you find this video, please comment, and yes, you need to also subscribe the channel so that we can make more and more video for you and help you take the right decision. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Bande Matram. Jai Hind.